Was jammert denn der da? Dem ist recht schlecht. Und der hinten, der frisst, macht keinen Lärm. Was ist der da? Der ist beschäftigt.
There's nyalas over here, the nyalas that she's been stalking. She's going for them. She's waiting for them to come to her, I think. Beautiful, there behind the bush. There she goes. Almost a kilometre back, at the back end of the herd is, and they're all coming down here.
Every time, twice a day. That's good, no?
Sabi, yeah, she's just static on the bank below the northern Kruger spot hippo pools.
Wow, that's a beautiful.
In the past couple of days, the reason we haven't seen them is they've been eating a buffalo further down the river, an area that we can't get to. Not part of our traversing area, so now they're all finished and full.
So we're really in this like very tiny little corner of our farm.
Looking, there's a possible attempt to try and mate with her. And we'll see what her reaction is now.
Bye bye.
No, I think she's just going to
This is your wake up call.
The station on one can make their way.
Start making your way. I guess.
Stunning, eh?
Mac, you still on the channel? Saying what? It's just a pair.
Pulling what's called a phlegm grimace. He's picking up the scent. She's just urinated there. He's picking up the scent in the urine and the pheromones in there to tell whether she is actually worth following to try and mate with or not. She's going to sit down and wait for him. It depends how cold it is.
Says there's a young male not around. Is it usual for them to just kind of wander off?
Occasionally they'll leave one behind. All reinforces the social bond between the group, and that social bond is what keeps them going. The stronger the bond between them, the stronger the pride is.
So they allow no outside.
It's going to mark on the tree. The hippos have moved out of the waterhole now. They will still come back to this area to feed at night time. Their feeding territories are well demarcated, and they stick to those even if the water dries up. They still come back. I think you might. I think they're just off Hetley's at Inns Road Junction there.
Thank you.
Now the tusks are used for
Station one, make it.
fighting.
You know, see Rob with his big bazooka camera there.
That's something.
Did you just get called in there? Yeah, affirmative, Reagan.
You have any drinks up front?
No, they're at the back.
Oh, there.
Never mind.
You're trying to be funny.
Nice. So you might be thinking of moving down to where the meat is. Almost.
Look visual of the Leopard heading north from the eastern side of.
Not particularly powerful, but long and more warthogs. Now they're going. They've seen baby warthogs there, so they're going to give them a go. And decided that's probably not a good idea. Whole family of warthogs, but. Maybe a young one.
A water buffalo?
Water buck.
A water buck.
Maybe.